Now, in this video lecture, I will discuss about error correction method for single bit error. So single bit error correction method is a Hamming code method. So first we explain how we calculate Hamming distance between two words is the number of difference between corresponding bits. Suppose let us find Hamming distance between two pair of words. The Hamming distance D000 and 011 is 2 because 00 and 001 is 011. If calculate and take the XOR operation between this word and this word, then we find number of ones is equal to 2. So Hamming distance between this given word equal to 2. Similarly, we take the another example. The Hamming distance of D equal to 10101 and 11110 is 3 because we calculate the XOR operation of this code to next code and we find number of values for in a result 3. So Hamming distance equal to 3. So this is the simple method of calculation of Hamming distance between given code. The minimum Hamming distance is the smallest Hamming distance between all possible pair in a set of words. So find the minimum Hamming distance of the coding scheme in table 10.1 like that. We first find all Hamming distance. Suppose D00011 equal to 2, D00101 equal to 2, 200100 equal to 2, 011101 2, G0111102 and this. So D minimum is the case equal to 2. We check all possible set 00001, 00101, all possible set and we calculate the distance of Hamming code. Similarly, we first all the Hamming distance like that 000 and 0101 equal to 3. We calculate and different combination and find the value of minimum distance of Hamming code and we calculate the minimum distance code equal to 3. So for single bit correction using Hamming code for data given m bits and redundancy also we calculate redundancy with r bits. So total length of data are calculated m plus r, total number of given data bits and number of redundancy bits. So bits can indicate 2 key power are different states like that. If 2 key power r must be equal to and greater than equal to m plus r plus 1, this is the condition of the Hamming. If 2 key power r greater than equal to m plus r plus 1, so we calculate the value of redundancy bit. For example, suppose we have the data code, the value of data equal to 7. So we calculate here the value of r because can satisfy the equation equal to 4. Suppose 2 key power r equal to 2 key power 4. Can value put here m equal to 7 and take the value of 3. So value of 3 is 7 plus 3 plus 1 or 2 key power 3 condition is not satisfied, then value increase, r value increases. We take the value of r equal to 4. The 2 key power 4 equal to 60 and 7 plus 4 plus 1 equal to 12. Condition 16 greater than equal to 12 condition is satisfied. Then redundancy bit calculated for the data 7 bit data equal to r equal to 4. So total redundancy bit here is count 4 and data are given is equal to 7. So Hamming code word equal to data bit plus redundancy bit 7 plus 4 equal to 11 bit. So we take the example, we take a graph and Gantt chart like that. 1 to 11 number of bits are given. First we put the position of redundancy. Redundancy bit equal to 4. So length of redundancy bit equal to 4 bit means 0 to n minus 1. So first redundancy bit 2 key power 0, position 1. So put here the value of r. Second redundancy bit 2 key power 1, 2 key power 1 equal to 2 and take the position value r. And third redundancy but 2 की power 2 equal to 4 position, so take the position here. And fourth redundancy with 2 की power 3 and 8, the value put here are. Baki we fill the given data, it's a D7 bit data, fill in this table. Now this is the Hamming code part. For example, if total redundancy bit is calculated according to given data bit of 7, so R equal to 4, and total number of bit is given, 1, R plus 7 plus 4 equal to 11, we calculate the value. So 1 we write here 0 0 1, and 2 write in 4-digit form 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, write that value we write here till 11. Now we find out redundancy bit position of 2 की power 0, it means R1. So R1 we take the value of 1 in 2 की power 0 position, 1 2 3 5 7 9 and next 11, 1 0 1 1. So we calculate the value of redundancy bit of R1 in the position according to given data 7 1 comma 3 7 9 11. Similarly, we calculate the redundancy bit 2 की power 1 in column second. Find the value of in column 1 2 3 4 6 7 10 and 11. Similarly, we find redundancy bit of next third redundancy bit 2 की power 2 equal to 4. We take the column 3 and find value of 1 4 5 6 7. The redundancy bit position 4 5 6 7. Similarly, we calculate the redundancy bit for fourth bit 2 की power 3 equal to 8. Now we calculate value of fourth column 8 9 10 11. So 8 9 10 11 is the position of redundancy. Now we calculate of Hamming code word. Suppose we have a data, sender want to send a data given 1001101. So first calculate redundancy bit. First bit check the value length of given data 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Then we calculate the redundancy bit according to Hamming code equation 2 की power r greater than equal to m plus r plus 1. So take the value of redundancy r equal to 4. The condition is satisfied. So total length of Hamming code word 7 plus 4 equal to 11. So we create here total number of bit of Hamming code 1 2 3 4 to 11 and fill the position of redundancy bit. First redundancy bit position 1, second is 2, and third redundancy bit position 4, and fourth redundancy bit position equal to R4 discussed in previous slide. Now fill the data of given data 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 etc. After filling the data, calculate value of R1. Calculate the redundancy bit position R1. The position of redundancy bit R1, we take the value 1 3 5 7 9 11 and check the parity bit. We calculate number of 1 is 1, third position also 1 is equal to 2 0 7 third 3 0 and 4. Total number of 1 in the given R1 position parity bit equal to even. So we take the value of R1 equal to 0. Now again calculate. So value of take the value R1 position आपको fill करना है. R1 position are not given. So we take the value of 3 1, value of 5 0, value of 7 1, value of 9 0, value of 11 is given 1. Total number of 1 is given 3. So we take create the even parity check. The value of R1 is put here equal to 1. So अब total number of 1 equal to even, इसलिए value of R equal to 1. Now next, we check the value of second R2 parity bit. The position of R2 explained in the previous slide. The value of R2 position, we check the value of 1 given data in position of 2, position of 3, position of 5, position of 7, position of 9, position of 11. And here calculate the number of ones given 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 is even. So put the value of R2 parity bit equal to 0 because already number of 1 is present even. Next, we calculate the redundancy bit R3. Now check the position of R3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The value of 4 redundancy bit, value of 5 equal to 0, value of 6 equal to 1, number of value equal to 7 equal to 1. Total number of even number given 2 number, total number of 1 is even. So we take the value of R equal to 0. So parity or redundancy bit R3 equal to 4. Now next last R redundancy bit position, we calculate the position number of ones in the position of 8, 9, 10, 11. Number of 1 is given 2, already even. Sorry, number of 1 is given 1, already odd. So we create a even priority, we take the value of R4 equal to 1. So value is taking the value of 1, here the created even priority to value of R4 equal to 4. So even redundancy bit are calculated. R1 equal to 1, R2 equal to 0, R2 equal to R3 equal to 0, and R4 equal to 1. So Hamming code word are replaced are calculated R bit, and Hamming code word sent like that data and redundancy bit. Redundancy bit R1, R2, R3, R4 position are replaced by 1001. So redundancy bit Hamming code word sent like that 100 111 right. Now in the next slide we detect the error using the Hamming code. Suppose receiver are received that data 1001010101001. So first we calculate the all redundancy value of all redundancy bit. If value of R redundancy bit equal to 000, then no error and accept the message. If find any value, so error is any error. If any error present in the Hamming code word, then find the position value. So first we calculate the R1 bit. So R1 position 1, 3. This is the receiving data 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. We calculate the value of 1 is odd. So we take the value of R1 equal to 1. Similarly, we take the calculate the position value 2, 3, 6, 7, 10, 11. The number of 1 in this position equal to odd. So value take R2 equal to 1. Now in the next, we calculate the position value 4, 5, 6, 7, R3. Already number of 1 is given 1, even odd. So we take the value of R equal to 1 for even parity. Next, we take find the position 8, 9, 10, 11. We calculate number of ones. Number of 1 is given. So calculate we take the value of R4 equal to 0. So 0, 1, 1, 1 means 7th position. Bit in 7th position is an error because 7th bit position is converted from 0 to 1, R1 to 0. So we find the error, single bit error using the Hamming code word. Okay. So this is the example of error correction of Hamming code word. Thank you.